Understanding root tip, a dive into its meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to explore the phrase, root tip. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's begin by breaking down the phrase, root. This word can have various meanings, but most commonly, it refers to the part of a plant that grows downward into the soil, anchoring the plant and absorbing water and nutrients. Tip. In general English, the word tip refers to the end point or extremity of something. When you combine these two words, root tip refers to the end part of the root. It's the very bottom or pointy end of the root, which often leads the way as the root grows deeper into the soil. Now, you might wonder, why is the root tip important? The root tip is the active part of the root where growth occurs. It's responsible for penetrating new areas of the soil and helping the plant establish a strong foothold. As it grows, it also helps the plant to access new sources of water and nutrients. To make our understanding clearer, let's look at how we can use root tip in sentences. 1. The root tip is the first part of the plant to sense water sources in the soil. 2. If you look closely at the plant, you'll notice the tiny root tips pushing their way down. 3. Gardeners need to be careful not to damage the root tips when transplanting young plants. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, root tip. Remember, it's the dynamic end of the root that drives growth and exploration in the soil. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring the wonderful world of the English language.